Hello everyone, this is the iPhone 8 Plus from our repair shop. The technician said the phone has no picture. Connect the battery. Okay, you can see the phone is taking about 1.5 amp. Yeah, the technician said it has no display, so let's see what it's gonna do. I hear the phone like is there's Apple sound. Let me see if we can try it again. Hopefully you did hear that. Okay, let's hello?
Do you guys fix PS5s?
Yes.
Okay. What time do you guys close?
We close at 5.
At 5? Okay, well, I should be dropping off maybe by 4:30. How long does it take? Like, how much do you stay with it?
Yeah, if you drop it at 4, it should be next day.
Next day? Okay.
Depend what the problem, of course, because I need to check it.
Yeah, I know it's the HDMI port from the back of the PlayStation. It fell, so it's like the HDMI is not working.
Yeah, for the HDMI, it should be next day.
Okay, perfect. So I get off of work at 4 and I'll take it straight from there. So I should be there maybe 4:30.
Yeah, do you have the address?
I looked it up online. So I have 12003 Seminole Boulevard, Largo 33778.
Yep.
Okay, perfect. I'll see you then.
Thank you. Well, let's see if we can see anything on the screen. Yeah, there is a lot of scratch in the screen. It's kind of hard to, but I do see something. Yeah, I do see some kind of the dark picture. That's a number 6. Let's see if you can see it. You see that's number 3. Let's try again. Okay, you can see now it's the 08 numbers, the pad number. So basically this phone, it has no backlight. Yeah, no backlight could be the screen. You can see that, but I'm sure in this case it's not the screen because it came from a repair. Yeah, same thing. There is an Apple logo, but no backlight. Hello everyone. These days they talk about the AI, artificial intelligence, and the GPT, the generative pre-trained transformer. The machines or a software that can learn from the experience. More question you give to the machine or to the software it's a learn more. More information you give to the software is better responding from that software. And they were talking about how this new technology gonna make our world better place, or it can be taking our jobs. or may find some solution for some human problems, as like cure for disease, many human problems. Hopefully, sure you did hear like some students they use this one for the GPT. They use it for like to find the solutions for their exams, homeworks, and they were talking about these machines gonna replacing us, replacing the human brain. And they did see a guy, he asked the machine, the GPT, how he can make $100 to be $2,500 in 2 days. And it generates all the solutions and the steps. So that's what we are gonna do today. We are gonna try to make the GPT help us to fix this one. Oh, I don't think is anybody tried it before, but we are here to try something. And we are gonna use the chat GPT. GPT is in the 4th generation. It's more developed, still a demo. So let's open Google, and we are gonna go to the chat GPT. The Open AI, this one here. Yeah, I already try it and ask it some question. It's really, the answers is amazing. Like you are talking to a human brain. I already create the account because I've been using it for like a week now. Just asking any questions to it, and let's ask it about this phone. It's here. Alright, let's see. Can you help me with iPhone 8 Plus? Can you help me to fix the iPhone 8 Plus with backlight problem? So may someone say it is just like Google, but basically it's not like a searching. It is a searching engine, but it's not like it just is go search and find a part and bring it how it is. No, this is like creating ideas. Alright, this is what they said. Most of this is a software. So it's the program, it starts with the basic solutions. As go to the settings, increase the brightness, software update, then maybe reset the phone and contact the Apple support. Like you see here, contact the Apple support. Yeah. Let's see. It is a hardware issue. The LCD connector. Yeah, we try like clean the connector, disconnect it, connect it again. Then it's giving you the idea what could be. Okay, let's see here. So replace the backlight filter. The backlight filter, that's a good thing. Yeah, we know the filter, they can go bad with for the no backlight problem. The backlight driver, let's try these two solutions that they give us. Backlight filter, backlight driver, and replacing the LCD. We already replaced the LCD, it didn't work. So we are going to try the backlight driver IC and the backlight filter. So let's go to this ZXW. So we go to the iPhone 8 Plus. This is just like to try, you know. We're just trying something new. Alright, this is the LCD connector, and we are going to check where the backlight point is. I know they are somewhere here on the bottom, so maybe this one's. Yep, this is the backlight cathode 2, anode, cathode, and another cathode, and another anode, plus another cathode. So all these pins here. So let's start from the first one, where it's go. So it go to this component, then from this component it's go to this IC. So this IC here is the backlight driver IC, and this one here is marked as a R, but this is the filter. So the pin number 2 right here, it's go to another filter here, then from the filter it's go to IC and couple other components as a diodes, and the software didn't give us the chance. Could be a diode, could be a open coil, but it's a small chance, very small chance. Could be a coil. The second option is could be the diode. The third option is the IC, but the first option could be a filter. When I was trying the software yesterday, the GPT, it did talk about the coil and the diode. So this one here, it's go to this filter, then it's go to the second driver IC. So we have couple filters here, even it's marked like a resistor, but this is a filter. The filter is a carbon resistor anyway. So let's check this area and see what we can find. So let's check where is the filters. We start with the easy solution, then we go to the next one. So the filter is right somewhere right here. Yeah, we have couple filters over there and over here. This one and this one, that's the backlight driver IC. This one is the diode, and these two here is the coil. Let's go to the ZXW. All right, we have couple components here. That's this one here, this one. I think it's this one. Okay, this one is look like burnt. See the color of this one? This is like it's falling apart. This one, maybe this one as well. Alright, let's test them and see what they get. Alright, by testing this resistor, should be like a low ohm, but tested as open. Next switch, a good resistor. This one here is a good. So that one it is open as well. So we have two resistors that tested open. In a donor board, these filter resistors, yeah, they test a low ohm. So that's good to use. Using a hot tweezer is going to make the work more easy. So we add some flux and removing the bad resistors. So the GBT, it was helping. And here we are. We have the Apple logo. The phone boot fine. And this all for this video. Thank you for watching and see you again.